Hey everyone, Matthew Moniz here in the Lenovo suite CS 2020. This is the Lenovo Y740S. Not the 740, but the 740S. This is a new concept, a new idea that Lenovo is going to be selling soon, and the whole idea behind it is to get rid of the dedicated GPU. Now I know what you're thinking, why would they do that? This is a gaming laptop, you need that dedicated GPU in order to play the most intensive games. And you're absolutely right. But by removing it, it allows them to create a laptop that's not only significantly thinner, but a lot lighter. This is 4 pounds. So the idea is that you take this if you need it for school or business, you travel with it, it's not as heavy in your bag. You still have the H series processors inside of here, so you have the CPU capability for certain applications like Adobe Premiere or crazy Excel sheet work. But when you get back to whatever house or place you go to, you have the ability to connect it to an external GPU. Now this is the BoostStation. It's retailing for about $250. And what you do is you hook it up to the Thunderbolt 3 port, and you can pretty much put any type of GPU in here. Like for example, right now I have an RTX 2080 Super inside of here, and this is being connected to a 500-watt power supply. So if you have a 2080 Ti or even RTX 2060 Super, assuming it doesn't need to go all the way past the length of the BoostStation, you can place it inside of here. There's also the capability of placing an SSD on the back, so if you need more storage space that can't be fit into your laptop, you can place it inside of the BoostStation. So this is a bit different. The whole idea behind it is to travel lighter, but still have the performance when you get back to your house. Now, another cool thing to note is the power button on the bottom over here, on the top of the keyboard. This actually has an embedded fingerprint scanner inside, so this will quickly get you in using Windows Hello. Now, there is a webcam, but it is on the bottom, so it's going to kind of stick up your nose, but you do have the little shutter over here to disable it if you want to have privacy. Everything else is pretty much very similar to a Y740. You still have access to your USB Type-C Thunderbolt 3 port, 2 of them on the left-hand side. You have your ports on the back, USB-A 3.2, and then on the other side, you have an SD card slot, which is fantastic for creators. Now this is definitely something different, so if you guys are interested in seeing me review this in a future video, let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the idea of taking a lighter gaming laptop without the dedicated GPU on the road, but having that same gaming performance when you get back to your studio or your house? Let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more coverage at CES 2020.